Welcome to Best School Tips. In this video, I will show you how to add widget to home screen on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel devices. So by default, you can only see the default available widgets on your Pixel device. If you want to add your favorite widget like a weather widget, battery widget, or any other widget on your home screen, just tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Here you can see the widget section, tap on it. Now here you can see the essentials by default available. It will automatically change every time when you open the widget settings. So here you can see news and magazine suggested for you. So you can check if you like this. At the bottom you can see the list of different widgets category like calendar, battery, Chrome, clock, contact, digital well-being, Gemini, Google, Home, Keep Notes, Google Maps, Photos, Swiggy, WhatsApp. So you can see let me add the weather widget on your my home screen. So pixel weather. Now here you can see two options, current weather or forecast. So here we select the current, tap on it, tap on a plus icon. Now it will automatically add, make sure location is enabled. So enable the location. Now go back and it will automatically change the default location with their widget. So here it's currently is at 29 degree on my location. So you can see easily add widget. You can also increase or decrease the size. Just long press it. Here you can increase or decrease it like move like this on your pixel devices. If you want to remove it, just long press it and tap the remove to remove the widget on your device. You can also add clock on the home screen. Using the same step, tap on the widget, scroll down, tap on the clock. Here you can see the analog clock, digital clock, different available clock. Just select any clock. So here we select analog. Tap on that icon. Now select the clock face. So here we select this option. Now you can see add the clock to the home screen. You can just long press it and move anywhere on your home screen. So quite easy to add or remove widget on the home screen. On your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device running the latest Android 15 or 16 version. Thank you for watching this.